Good morning, students. As we have already finished the lesson, the story of Johnny, Head in Air. So now let's discuss the question answer. So, first question, why was Johnny called Johnny Head in Air? So in the first para itself, it is written that whenever he walked, he always looked out at the sky and never looked at what lay before him. That is how everybody called him Johnny Head in Air. Okay. So you need to make the answer by yourself and write. Then what would he do as he walked to school? Same thing. He would look at the sky and the clouds floated by. See, simple. If you will go through the paragraph, see, as he trudged to school, it was always Johnny's rule to be looking at the sky. So you make it in a sentence form and write the answer. Then what happened when a dog came into his path? So you know what happened. So they both fall down. So you have to make the answer that Johnny never noticed the dog coming at his path and nor did he pay any attention to the warning given by the people. So they both bumped into each other and fell down with a thump. So you can write, every answer is given in the poem itself. Once you go to the go through the poem, and then you will easily find the question answers. Then what did Johnny look as he walked beside the river? So you need to describe the things which he was looking at when he was walking near the river. Then how he fall into the river? Obviously he was not paying attention to the road. So what happened? He was looking at the sky. So when he reached to the brink, he fall down. Then what was his condition when he was pulled out? So he was in a sorry plight, completely wet and very scared too. So you need to write like this. Make in your answers in your own words. Don't think that what will be wrong or what will be right. I'll correct it afterwards. Okay. So no need to think about that. You just write. All of you can. Then who pulled him out of the river? Two strong men pulled him out of the river. And what was his condition? So he was shivering and looked in fright, and with his water was dripping from all his clothes, arms, face and hair. Then what he lost? He lost his red writing book. Then come here. See the paras. Running just in Johnny's way came a little dog. Now let's see B number question. Answer these questions with reference to the context. So here you see, running just in Johnny's way came a little dog one day. So this is the second para. Okay, from here you can see. Okay, this is the second para. So now see the questions, what it is asking. So what strange quality does Johnny have? So you know the quality. He is always looking to the sky and never looks at the way or anything which is in front of him. Then what would people tell him? What is the name people gave him? You have to write that. What happened as a result? Johnny got not noticing the dog. So as a result, both the dog and Johnny bumped into each other and fell down. See the second number. Johnny watched the swallows trying. Which was cleverest at flying? Where was Johnny walking? So this is here. From this paragraph, okay, page number 25. Now you will find yourself. What was he doing? So he was looking at the swallows flying and looking at the sun going in and going out. Then what was Johnny thinking? Johnny was thinking which of the swallows was cleverest at flying, or he was thinking about the swallows and about the sun which was going in and going out. Then, oh, you should have seen him shiver then when they pulled him from the river. Now see this one. From here, you see the last paragraph of page number 25. So this line is taken from here. And what it is telling? See the questions. Who pulled the Johnny? So two strong men were there who pulled the Johnny from the river. How did he get into the river? So he was looking at the sky and not look at the way, so he fall into the river, है ना? Then the brim was what? Very, you see from here, the bank was high and steep and he never looked at it and he fall at the river. So you make your own answers. Then who teased him? Naturally, these were these tiny little fellows, 3 fishes who were teasing him. Then make a list of rhyming words. So I have already told you that after the end of each line there is a rhyming word. So you need to find out the rhyming words. Okay. Then here in this question you have to write the antonyms, means opposite of these: poor, lost, strong, calm, high, bright, like that. Okay. And the synonyms also. So you need to find and do this with your own. Then think and write. Write the character sketch of Johnny Hedineth. So Johnny was a little boy. He was what? Careless. Yes. And he never looked at it the way he was coming. And what he did? He always looked up in the sky and busy in his thought. He never listened to others. So what did you find funny in the poem? This you have to write in 2 to 3 lines. What is funny about Johnny? Okay. So you can describe the incidents also. Then what lesson you learned from the poem? So I think I have discussed this one in the previous videos. So you will see what lesson you have learned in the poem.